Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the great state of Michigan. If you're new to the channel, I'm James. Current temperatures, 34 degrees. As you can tell, the weather is finally starting to warm up here in Michigan, you guys. We're not down here freezing our tutus off. It is actually above freezing finally. So as you can tell by the title today, we're going to do a little review of my new GoPro Hero 9. The wife picked it up for me for Christmas, and, I've used it a little bit here and there, and I figured I'd shoot some video with it for you guys and, show you the type of quality that it's spitting out. So let me flip this camera around real quick, and let's get started with today's video. So check it out, you guys. Look at the new GoPro Hero 9. Isn't this thing pretty cool looking? I know I still got the protective tab on the back, but I figured I'd try to protect the back screen for as long as possible, right? So let's turn this bad boy on. All right, it's got the normal features like all the rest of your GoPros, your camera mode, your slow motion mode, your time-lapse mode, all that good stuff. But this new GoPro 9 has a new feature, and that's right, ladies and gentlemen, Mrs. Carmama is going to help me shoot this video. Ha-ha! That's right, we got this right here. We got the facing screen. So now when you're shooting your YouTube videos with your GoPros and it's facing towards you, you can actually see what you're shooting, ladies and gentlemen. So hey, let's flip the cameras, right? And let's shut down that camera and let's go to this camera and let's see what the camera quality is all about. All right, check it out, everybody. We are on the GoPro 9. That's right, the old trusty cell phone that the car mob shoots 90% of his YouTube videos is on the sidelines today. So let's take this puppy outside. Let's get a cold start to the side-by-side. And let's, run around a little bit. Let's see what kind of sound quality this thing's got. Let's see what kind of video quality this thing's got. And, you guys can tell me in the comments what you think of this camera after you watch this video. So let's get to it. Hey you guys, what'd you think of that video, huh? This entire video was brought to you by the GoPro 9. So if the volume was good, the picture was good, Let me know down below, you guys. Let me know down below. Like I said, I just got this for Christmas. We used to use a GoPro 7 for all of our action shots, and now we got a GoPro 9. So, hey, we figured we'd take it out, give it a little blip. We got that sun in the way. I'm sorry, fellas and ladies. Here we go. Let's get a little bit better shot for you. So, there you go. No sun blaring in your faces. So, if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a like, smash that subscribe button, and we will catch you guys in the next video. Peace. Hey, look everybody, look everybody, look everybody here. We got ourselves a brand new camera, and we're gonna show you what it's all about. That's right, hang on right here now. Pumpkin, say goodbye to everybody.